Hello, this is RN, and today I'll be providing a demo of NUGN gift card software. And this particular gift card software is used for creating and offering gift cards of your store to your consumers or customers. These are extremely affordable gift cards that you can create, design, and print for your store and offer it to your customers at any time. So we'll quickly go through some of the key features on setting up and what features are provided by gift card software. Once you download the setup file from the provided link, you should be able to install, and after installation you can log in via the admin mode. The login ID is admin and the password is admin. Once you hit enter, you'll be able to see the screen that I'm able to show right now. And this is a particular software that you can use to create, design, and print your gift cards, and you can also validate the gift cards. So the first and foremost thing I would like to go through is for the setup. So we should be able to wrap up the initial setup real quick. So the first and foremost thing after logging in via the admin mode is to click on the help and select the content option. For most of the softwares, we have a step-by-step guide which you should be able to see, and that is the initial setup of the software. We'll go ahead and click this link. It talks about setting up of your company, the users, the license if any, and to customize. So one of the foremost important aspect of the NUGN gift card software is to set up the company. And the users are almost optional. License, if you have purchased, you can gain or you can explore the trial option. Customize is more for the look and feel of the software. So once you are through with this, you can proceed further with the usage of software for designing, generating, and printing gift cards. We'll go all those key options one at a time. So let's go ahead with the admin setup for the company. Let me flip that, and here in the admin you can select the company option by clicking on admin menu and click company option. So company, you can specify what is your company name, short name, the address, and telephone. These are more information only purposes. The data can be used for some of the gift cards that you are printing. More or less, I think the short name is one of the key field that we used on creating a gift card. So once you are done with modifying this, making some changes to these entries, hit on save and you can exit it. You can go to admin user. You can manage the users, or by default, if you go to the first record, the first entry is admin, the password is admin, which you should be able to change at later point in time or anytime. And if you also need one more user, that is available by default, which is user1 is the login ID and the password is user1. So again, I think the admin login is more or less the key login entry or the ID that can be used to create all of these options. We'll exit that, and as I talked about license and customize, those you can change it, and we also have some preferences that you can update. So preference is more related to the card label, the expiry label, and code label. Now these labels, what you are going to set it up, will be used for creating the gift card. So with that said, I think those are some of the key aspects that you need to set it up, or you can utilize the default features. Once you are set up with the company, the group option can be used, and that is more related to the categorization of the gift cards that you would like to set up. For example, we have set it up some of the entries like the promotion gift card, or if you talk about the member gift card. And again, you can create any number of groups, those can be associated. Let's move on to the main aspect. I think the first piece is the print design. I'll give a quick walkthrough of this. The print design feature, you can either add or modify the existing setup, or you can add new print designs. Is used to design the print aspect of your gift card, how it should look and feel when you try to print it out. There are 6 different styles, 2 different sizes, and these are the fonts which are available. You can do a print type by regular, bold, italic. You have the alignment, and there are 6 text fields or the labels that you can set it up. The text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give a quick overview of that. The text one is more or less the company's short name that will come up here. The text 2 is the gift card label that you would like to put it, whether it's a e-gift card, promotion card, or any kind of card names that you would like to use. Card number is default, which will come up in the card number section with the card expiry, card code, and what and the card amount that has been set it upon designing and creating the gift card. Once you're all set with print design, you can certainly create a card. You can create multiple cards based on whether it is you want to create one card, 5, 10, 20, 50 or 99. These are the set of configurations that we have. Let us create a single card real quick with some features, and you can easily see how to generate a designed card. So we did the print design, we'll create a card. I'll click the add option from operations menu. We'll confirm the add. I'm going to select the group as member gift card. We'll select the print design one. Now for each and every navigation you must hit the tab key on your keyboard so you can create it. So this is, say for example, I am going to give it as batch 5. Card prefix I would like to give as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Card expiry is December 2030. Currency is USD. Card amount is, I'll say $100, 100 USD. The card is active, yes. I want to create one card. Just hit this selection and you can change the number of cards you want to create. So for now I'll be going with 1. The total amount shows the number of cards created and total card amount offered. We'll select the gift card label. By default you have these features, you can also enter those manually. I'm going to go with gift card and put some remarks. So once all of these entries are clearly provided, you hit the generate cards button or the option. It's going to talk about the card prefix exists. So this prefix has already been used, and the card prefix is the unique prefix that is used for each batch. So let me change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We'll try with this one. Yes, you can create it. I'll generate the cards, yes. I'll say sure to generate, and it has generated the cards. Now let's go and see what card details have been generated. Again, this is for card prefix 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, December 2030 with USD 100. So now we did design for print design for the card. We created one card. You can go to gift card info to see what gift card has been generated. So default, whenever you create it, it's going to go to the last entry. So this is the gift card. The ID is 17 with the entry date of today's date. The label is gift card. The card number prefix, as you have seen, it was 1 2 3 4 4 6. The other numbers are generated with a default configuration. Card expiry that we set it up is December 2030. Code is 802. Currency is USD. Initial amount is 100. Balance is 100. Now you can make changes to put the members information. Now if this card has been issued to some person called ABC, and we'll put some address called M1, M2, member email is ME, and yes, this card is active, and you can hit it. The transactions will keep getting added once you create the validate card option. I'll quickly go through that as well. So we can make a note of this: 1 2 3 4 6 6 3 7 9 3 3. We'll click on the validate card. So the card prefix was 1 2 3 4 6. We'll just copy this one in case. I'll try to search this card. Note that you need to put the complete card number with hyphens as well. Search it, and this is the card that was issued. Current balance is 100. You can provide the transaction here. Let's assume $25 has been spent today. Either you can give 25 or 25.00. The remarks are it has been spent online. Now this is what the member has spent it. I'm going to hit save, and the transaction is saved. So if you go to the card and refresh it by clicking the last, you can see an entry that with the entry date of 4/14, the card's amount spent for this transaction is 25, and remarks is online. This is more of an ID, and the balance has changed to 75. So this is the way how you can print design a card. You can create the cards. You can have a gift card info, which is the screen, and you can validate those cards. Now the other features which are there is how to print this card. So we can quickly see based on the print design that was. So this was the print design, and we have created the print design with the print design was 1. So if you see this one, so this is the mode how the card should look. Once you have created a card, you cannot change any of the details on the card. But if you have selected a specific print design, you can certainly change the print design so that you can print different design cards by going into print design. Say for example, if I need to select a different style, I'll modify this. I'll change it to say 2, and I want the card to be designed in this way. I'll save it. So these are all the key options: the print design, create card, gift card info, and validate card. Those are the pieces of transaction. You can export the gift card onto a different to an Excel sheet, so that you can import onto different POS system or other systems which you can utilize your card information. Now some key reports I would like to point it. You can get the listing of print listing that you created, the print design listing, the cards that you created, you can get a listing of that. The gift card listing, you can get it what set of gift card batches you have created. The gift card print is where you will print the gift card. So we did the batch number 5, so I'm going to select that and just view. So this is the way how the cards are going to be printed. Let me show you a different batch as well. Say for example the batch 3, how does it look like, and this is the way how the cards will look like, and these are all different cards. All you can do is you can either have a label paper or you can print these on a cardstock or on a card format by individual card, and those cards you can offer it to your customers. Now if you would like to view individual card for printing, you should go to gift card info and select any of the card information. Say for example, this is a card we want to print that we created at the last moment. Click on the report, and this will create a individual card that you can utilize. Either you can print it, you can export it, or you can email it. So for emailing, you certainly need to have Microsoft Outlook so that you can send this card via email. One other report option I will go through is the gift card summary, that will show the summary of all the cards that has been created. So far we have created 4 batches. Total cards we created is 17. There's a gift card amount. So many cards are active. There are no inactive cards. The used cards are 2. Unused cards are 15, and it shows the amount and redemption amount. For any of the feature, say for example, I would like to go to create cards, and if you hit this tab or this button, you can add the favorites. So right now this is create cards, just hit it once. So the create option has gone out of the favorites. You click it again, you can add the favorite. So next time when you come out of this screen, you can hit the create option here within the favorites, and it will open up that screen. So those were all the key options of Giftcard. This is a very simple software, and the whole purpose is to create the cards for your customers, for your store, and offer it to loyal customers who make a lot of transactions with your store or company or mart, and that way you can save without outsourcing it to external agency, and save a lot of amount on that. I hope you have liked this demo and it was helpful to you for the initial setup. The setup might be helpful once you go through those details, and I hope this NUGN gift card software will be helpful for your store and for your customers as well. If you have any questions, do certainly send out an email, and thanks very much for watching this demo.